If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter 17, Commencement of Proceedings before Magistrates, Sections 225 to 237. Chapter 17 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, details the procedures and requirements for initiating criminal proceedings before magistrates. Sections 225 to 237 ensure that the legal process is orderly, just, and transparent from the outset. This chapter provides a framework that guides how cases are to be formally brought before a magistrate, ensuring due process and protecting the rights of all parties involved. Section 225, Initiation of Proceedings. Section 225 outlines the initiation of proceedings in response to complaints, police reports, or information received from any person other than a police officer. This section ensures that the commencement of proceedings is based on legitimate grounds. Key points: complaints, formal complaints made by individuals. Police reports, reports submitted by police after investigation. Information, verified information received from credible sources. This section establishes the primary avenues through which criminal proceedings can be initiated, ensuring that cases are based on substantial grounds. Section 226, Examination of Complainant. This section mandates the magistrate to examine the complainant and any witnesses present upon receiving a complaint. The examination is conducted under oath, and the statements are recorded. Key points: oath ensures the truthfulness of the statements. Recording statements provides a formal record for judicial review. This procedure verifies the validity of the complaint and ensures that there is a formal record of the initial statements. Section 227, Dismissal of Complaint. Section 227 gives the magistrate the authority to dismiss a complaint if, after considering the statements on oath and the result of any investigation, there is no sufficient ground for proceeding. Key points: insufficient grounds. Complaints lacking substantive evidence can be dismissed. Reasoned order. The reasons for dismissal must be documented. This section prevents the judicial process from being clogged with baseless complaints, ensuring that only valid cases proceed. Section 228, Issue of Process. Upon determining that there is sufficient ground for proceeding, Section 228 allows the magistrate to issue a summons or warrant to the accused, thereby formally initiating the trial process. Key points: summons or warrant, depending on the nature of the offense, the magistrate issues the appropriate process. Formal notice: the accused is formally notified of the charges. This ensures that the accused is properly informed and given the opportunity to prepare a defense. Section 229, Form of Summons or Warrant. This section prescribes the form and content of the summons or warrant issued by the magistrate, ensuring clarity and uniformity in the legal documents served to the accused. Key points: clarity: documents must clearly state the nature of the offense, date, and place of appearance. Uniformity: standardized forms ensure consistency in the judicial process. This section ensures that legal documents are clear and provide all necessary information to the accused. Section 230, Service of Summons. Section 230 details the procedure for serving a summons to the accused, ensuring that the summons is delivered in a manner that is likely to inform the accused of the proceedings. Key points: personal service, preferably, summons should be served personally to the accused. Alternative methods: if personal service is not possible, alternative methods such as leaving the summons with an adult family member or affixing it to a conspicuous place may be used. This ensures that all reasonable efforts are made to inform the accused of the proceedings. Section 231, Warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons. This section allows the magistrate to issue a warrant instead of a summons if there is reason to believe that the accused may not appear in response to a summons or if the nature of the offense justifies immediate custody. Key points: judicial discretion. The magistrate can decide based on the circumstances whether a warrant is necessary. Ensuring appearance. Warrants ensure that the accused appears in court. This provides flexibility in ensuring the presence of the accused in court. Section 232. Service or execution of summons or warrant. This section outlines the procedure for the service or execution of a summons or warrant, ensuring that the process is carried out lawfully and efficiently. Key points. Service protocol. Detailed steps for serving or executing the process. Documentation. Ensures proper documentation of the service or execution. This section ensures that the process is executed according to legal standards, maintaining the integrity of the proceedings. Section 233. Proclamation for person absconding. Section 233 allows the magistrate to issue a proclamation for a person who is absconding or hiding to avoid the service of a summons or warrant. The proclamation requires the person to appear at a specified time and place. Key points. Absconders. Targets individuals evading legal proceedings. Public notice. The proclamation is made public to inform the community. This ensures that absconding individuals are publicly notified and given an opportunity to appear. Section 234. Attachment of property of person absconding. This section provides for the attachment of the property of a person who fails to appear despite a proclamation, as an incentive for the individual to surrender. Key points. Incentive to surrender. Property attachment pressures the absconder to appear. Legal procedure ensures due process in the attachment of property. This ensures that absconders have a compelling reason to comply with the legal process. Section 235. Restoration of attached property. Section 235 allows for the restoration of the attached property once the absconding person surrenders or is apprehended, ensuring fairness in the legal process. Key points. Restoration. Property is returned upon compliance. Fairness balances enforcement with the rights of the individual. This ensures that individuals are not unduly penalized once they comply with the legal requirements. Section 236. Security for keeping the peace. This section allows the magistrate to require the accused to provide security for keeping the peace if necessary, ensuring preventive measures are in place during the proceedings. Key points. Preventive measures ensures public safety during the trial. Security bond. The accused may be required to furnish a bond. This provision adds a layer of security to prevent further offences during the trial period. Section 237. Special cases. Section 237 provides for the handling of special cases that require deviation from the standard procedures outlined in the chapter, allowing for judicial discretion and flexibility. Key points. Judicial discretion allows magistrates to adapt to unique circumstances. Flexibility ensures that special cases are handled appropriately. This ensures that the judicial process remains adaptable and fair. Summary. Chapter 17 of the BNSS 2023 establishes a detailed framework for the commencement of proceedings before magistrates. Through sections 225 to 237, it ensures that complaints, police reports, and credible information are examined thoroughly before proceedings are initiated. The chapter mandates the examination of complainants, allows for preliminary inquiries, and provides for the dismissal of insufficient complaints. It details the issuance, form, and service of summonses and warrants, and addresses procedures for absconding individuals and the attachment of their property. By providing these structured procedures, the chapter ensures that the initiation of criminal proceedings is fair, transparent, and efficient, protecting the rights of all parties involved and maintaining the integrity of the judicial process. Stay informed. Live in comfort.